So here we have folding propellers for drones. I have to remove these. So let's analyze it. It's Dalprop, Dal propeller, Foxier technology, 5.1 inch in size, is foldable. I'm not sure, do it yourself, first person view propellers. The color is crystal gray, that one, and the hub itself is green. You can choose different colors. Two of them are clockwise and two of them are counterclockwise. I already assembled two of them. Dalprop, fold, foxier.com. Okay, so let's open them. That's the entire package. I assembled two of them. They look like this. They can be moved in all directions, so that's the most folded state. So this is made of two parts. The angle is not too small, the angle of the blade. Okay, this is counterclockwise, that is clockwise, because that part is on the top, so it should spin to the right in order to push the air down. So that's the clockwise, in the direction where the clock is turning. Okay, and let's assemble it. We have two types of bases, center portions, that has a female and a male part. You have to stick them in. By the way, as you can hear, they are entering quite hard. So this will be a counterclockwise. Just insert it there. It's moving freely. Counterclockwise also. And that's not good. And this is good. Left, left, left. Okay, so it looks like this before it's assembled. So now put this on top and it will make click sounds. Not click, but... Okay, so it's not coming out easily. I cannot remove it manually. I have to use a tool. Okay, so once again. So you can position it this way, or you can position it incorrectly that way. This side is a bit inwards, and if we put it that way, that side is a bit outwards. This is not as loose as that one. Okay, so let's remove these. So here's a size comparison. This is wider here compared to that one. The height is around the same here in the center. It's, I think, equal. And the green one is 5.1, not 5. It's a little bit longer. It goes on perfectly. Now let's power it on. Let's see how is it unfolding. So they are folded, they are inwards, and I will arm the quad. So once again, that was cute. It makes a sound, so I'm arming. Okay, now let's try to fly.